Kibor Pulit ka Bhoi district ha ka khat pratere unai wing ha ka podang step phangap kila yo ban pintran biang e ka jing thmu ban shalan yo Drok Heroine bala khen bian uba Shongdor hadu khat saw Klur tingka la yo ban kemru ya lai ngot kibri ki bedan kti ha ka ban shalan yo new Drok na ka jala Manipur ban pin poi shanong ba shalong ha Meghalaya la yo jing tep ba ki Pulit hadin ka jiyo jing tep halor ka ni ka jing thmu kila puloi ka jing talasi ki kali ha ka we ka jaka jan nongpo Nadu ka jan me juga khan yo tere unai wing bade ha ka por san baje min step juga khat pratrek ki purik la yo ban bad ka we ga night super bus ka badan yo number MN not iway AA not south prasau ka balakit ye ki samla puri na Manipur ki bathmu ban le shanong ba shalong na ka banda ka study tour ki pulir hadir bakila bad ikni ka bus kila puloi ka jiktalasi ka bajanai ba bar hadir ka ni la yo ban kurup yo drop bala buri bha ki jaka shong ki bashadien bar hadir ka jik pi bnya la pen shisha bo new day Drok Heroine bar kar ku ka jik hia la labru bakadoju kala poi ko bakhat saw Klur tika ki bla Shah Kem ha ka ni ka kam ki kithu bu nong nya jo ka ni ka bas badi ki nong bot ye ki bla tep kerteng ko burashi judin life license karta na kwakta Bishnupur Manipur usadam Hussein life south name karta na Bishnupur district Manipur baru Mohammed Iqbal Hussein life way snap karta na Bishnupur district Manipur dagalia ki puliki da pulloi ka jik toket ka batikana
on the intervening night of 17th November 2022 and 18th November 2022, a NACA was set up by the Bhoi police for checking of illegal contrabands coming from other states along the National Highway 06 falling under Nongpo PS. So while the NACA was being conducted in the early hours of 18/11/2022, we managed to detain a passenger bus with a registration number MN01 AA0484. So based on thorough checking of the passenger bus, our team of Bhoi police officers and personnel, we managed to recover around 158 soap boxes of suspected heroin. So based on the recovery, weight and measurement as well as the preliminary test was conducted and it was confirmed to be a high-grade heroin. And the value of the high-grade heroin is around 14 crores in the market value and the total weight is around 1.85 kgs. So this is one of the highest recoveries by the Meghalaya police in a single day. And also in this connection, 3 persons have been detained, namely Rashijuddin from Manipur, Bishnupur district, Saddam Hussain from Bishnupur district of Manipur and Iqbal Hussain from Bishnupur district of Manipur. So an NDPS case has been registered in this regard as well as investigation is presently on. Bhoi police as such is maintaining a high vigil under the guidance of our Honorable Director General of Police Dr. L.R. Bishnoi to ensure that Meghalaya becomes drugs free. Especially Bhoi being a district which connects many states through the National Highway 06, we are ensuring that we are having regular nakas as well as patrollings to ensure that these antisocial elements do not penetrate drugs into our society which spoils the youth of Meghalaya.